A cut above the rest, unveiling its meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard but not fully grasped its meaning, a cut above the rest. This phrase is not only popular but also paints a vivid picture of excellence and distinction. Stick around as we explore its origins, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your everyday English. A cut above the rest is a phrase used to describe someone or something that is noticeably superior or better than the others in a group. It suggests that the person or thing stands out from the crowd due to their exceptional qualities or achievements. Imagine a group of trees, and one tree stands taller than the others. That's a visual representation of being a cut above the rest. This phrase has its roots in the old tailoring and craftsmanship practices where materials or workmanship of higher quality were considered a cut above the standard or average offerings. The metaphorical use of cut here refers to the act of cutting fabric, implying that the final product is superior because it has been crafted from a better cut of material. In compliments, you can use it to compliment someone who has performed exceptionally well. For example, your presentation was a cut above the rest, great job. In descriptions, it's also useful for describing objects or services that are of superior quality. For example, this brand of coffee is truly a cut above the rest. To help you understand better, here are a few examples. 1. Among all the candidates, her innovative approach was a cut above the rest. 2. Looking at all the smartphones on the market, this model is clearly a cut above the rest in terms of battery life. A cut above the rest is a powerful phrase that encapsulates excellence and superiority. It's a wonderful way to acknowledge someone's outstanding qualities or the superior nature of something. We hope this video helps you appreciate and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances that make it beautiful. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.